Bedroq Protect, OT and IT security for the UK energy sector. Legacy sites carry decades of accumulated risk, while new builds introduce fresh attack surfaces before they're even up and running. We know most organisations are managing both, often without a clear picture of either, and that's exactly where Bedroq Protect comes in. Bedroq Protect starts by mapping your full OT and IT environment. Every connected asset, every vulnerability, every blind spot. That clarity lets you know where you stand and shapes everything that follows. Our Network Operations Centre monitors your critical systems around the clock. We manage your network boundaries and apply layered protection matched to your risk profile, while keeping your operations running because we understand the impact of downtime. From NIS2, Ofgem and HSE to the new UK Cybersecurity and Resilience Bill, regulatory expectations are tightening, and the gap between what's required and what most organisations can demonstrate is rapidly growing. Our Asset Security Assessment is the starting point. A clear view of where you stand today and a prioritised plan to get you where you need to be. Reduce your exposure, stay ahead of regulation, and keep your operations running. Bedroq Protect. Every asset secured, every system protected.